How much time do you spend on your laundry business? And again, mentioning that you do have the full-time job.
Yeah, yeah. So all three of us had full time jobs when we started this thing. Um, None of us wanted to quit. We all were successful in our day jobs. We're like, I don't want to quit. Let's just keep doing this on the side. So back when we started, I was having to go from office to, oh, our employee called off. We need somebody at the store, and I'm running a night shift at the laundromat. So those were the early days figuring things out. Slowly as we progressed, we were able to hire a GM, an assistant GM. Now we kind of have this corporate structure built out.
Mhm.
And I think each of us spends a few hours a week on the business.
Mhm.
I'm not a huge fan of the word passive, but I
Mhm.
think we've got it to a point where you could kind of consider it semi-passive.
Right, right. You're there and you need to be there, but you've created that system, which again makes it work for everybody.
Yep, yep,
Yeah,
absolutely. And we
yeah.
have a lot of tools. Obviously, the laundromat industry has come a long way in just the last 5 years,
Mhm.
especially the last 10 years or so. So
Mhm.
there's a lot of tools out there that make running the laundromats, reporting, communicating with employees, all of those things quicker and more efficient.